Hello YouTube viewers, this is Krishna from CKTechs as promised again with a brand new tech solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save sessions in onworks.net. Okay, without any greater ado, let's get into this video. So before watching this video, I want all of you to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon because that gives you my notifications at the top. And if you feel this video very good and useful, then give a like over there. So let's get into this video. So viewers, I've directly signed in into my Windows account without doing any ado. So make sure that the first initial step is you're gonna have to make sure that before entering your thing, you have to make sure that you are in the desktop side thing. So then I will tell why you should do this in later. Okay, so as usual, we're gonna have to wait until it sets its system thing. Okay, so viewers, we are in our Windows. Okay, now my internet's a little bit slow, you know. In my past two videos the internet speed was good, but not now. So viewers, if you did not turn on the desktop side thing, you wouldn't have got this this Google Drive option. Okay, so first for showing you, I'm saving a WordPad. Okay, just opening a WordPad and saving a file in it. Okay, I'm not typing anything, just I am opening and saving it as a blank file. Okay, let's save this thing. And okay, so let's close this window right now. Okay, so viewers, as I told you before itself, if you did not enable that desktop thing, then it will not show you. You're gonna have to go there and click on the save session option. Okay, I have already signed in into my Google account. If you did not, then you're gonna have to sign in, and then you will have something like this. Okay, so you're gonna have to wait till the bar loads completely. Okay, so if the bar loads completely, then the session will be directly saved into your Google Drive. Okay, so but you might be thinking that accessing it by directly by your PC, but you will not be able to access it by your PC. Only if you open this OnWorks, then only you can access it. So as you can see that my thing has saved completely. Okay, so now testing time that my file has been saved or not. Okay, so I'll close this current session. Okay, because we need to test, right? So go to onworks.net and click that Windows option that will directly take you to the Windows 10 emulator. Okay, so for this thing, for this thing too, you are gonna have to make sure that you are in the desktop side. Okay, but right now I've not done it at the initial step. I've done it when I enter my Windows thing. But if you want to the initializing step, then you can do it that too. That's not a problem at all. Okay, so this is a totally complete session for me, granted by the OnWorks website. Okay, so right now I am going to the more option and enabling that desktop site. Okay, Man, we're gonna be needing a ad blocker, I guess. I'm gonna have to put a video on it. Okay. So after going there, you're gonna have to go and select that open session option. Okay. As I told you before itself, it is saved in your Google Drive thing, and it will be saved as a latest file. You're gonna have to go there and select that thing. Okay. So it will download your work session, whatever you have done changes in that thing. It will download all those things. Okay. Oh man, I hate this process because many of you might not get good internet connection, right? So I really, frankly, I hate this process. So viewers, it is showing me that I have been logged on to my to that existing account. So, but that isn't sufficient for you. I know that because you need proof. Okay. So sorry, I have opened this thing. This thing is completely new for me. So I don't know if this was my Android thing, Windows thing, it would be easy. So buddies, as you can see that that file, oh man, I don't know, it's completely new for me. So buddies, as you can see that file is saved in the session thing. It was saved completely in that thing. So viewers, we have successfully saved our session in onworks.net. So viewers, as you saw that we have successfully saved our sessions and data in onworks.net so that you have complete security of your files. Okay, so in my next video, I'll be telling how you can use onworks.net as a mobile application. Okay, wait for that video. Until then, try this. If it doesn't work, then give it in the comment section. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So, a greater thanks from Krishna and Seekitex. Thank you.